Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can edit PDF in Word, and it will be an easy tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you want to edit your PDF, you just need to convert it into a Word file. So how you can do this? You just need to go to the PDF to Word, just click over here and then select your PDF file in that place. Let's say I want to edit this one, I will select this one, and then it will take a couple of minutes to upload. Once it upload, then now you just need to convert to the Word. Once it will done, then it will download in your device. So let's say uploading file and converting PDF to Word, it will take a couple of minutes. Once it done eventually, so they're giving us the message, do not close your browser, wait until your files are uploaded and processed. This might take a few minutes, so we just need to be waiting here. So when it complete, then you can easily download that one. So here initially you can see it already been downloaded. Now you just need to open this PDF as it Word. So you can see Microsoft Word is opening. So now you can easily edit whole things one by one. Let's say I'm going to add any text, like you just need to enable the editing. Once you click over here, now you can add it, you can remove anything. It's totally on you right now. Let's say I'm going to remove this one, I'll just click delete and it already been removed. And if I want to remove this one, just click delete. Similarly, if I want to remove this one, I will able to remove this one. So now I can initially edit all this thing in here one by one. So if you love this video and if you think this video was informative for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.